Thanks for logging on to KOB.com. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jorge Torres, and we're going to be heating up here in New Mexico over the next couple of days, primarily in eastern portions of the state. Tonight, though, we'll be tracking scattered showers in western portions of the land of enchantment. And later this week and this weekend, we'll be keeping an eye on a potential storm that could produce more rain and, yes, even some snow. Here are the highs throughout the state today. Very warm over the eastern plains. Mid-60s from Roswell to Clovis and Tucumcari. 50s elsewhere, including here in the metro. Santa Fe topping out at 60 degrees. A warm one there for sure. And 59 in Deming. But we do have a few isolated to scattered showers, as I mentioned, in southern and western portions of the state. That will be the case tonight into tomorrow. Could make their way up into areas like Gallup, Grants, and Farmington. But the rest of the state just noticing increasing cloud cover. But that's about it. So tonight, cold, few light showers out west. Tomorrow, still warm in eastern portions of the state. Unseasonably warm with highs close to 70 in some locations. And then by Wednesday, we do have a weak cold front that will arrive from the northeast. Could produce a few isolated showers in the mountains. The rest of the state looking relatively mild, a tad bit on the breezy to windy side. But this weekend, as I mentioned, could get a little interesting here in the state. We had that chance for a wintry mix here in the metro Saturday into early Sunday, which is Super Bowl Sunday. Widespread showers turning much colder. There you see highs in the 30s Sunday, but it will be drying out that day as well. So tonight, we expect overnight lows in the 30s throughout much of southern New Mexico. Highs in the 60s and, yes, even 70 degrees for you folks in Carlsbad. Now, Roswell temperatures will warm up in the 70s beginning Wednesday, turning cooler Thursday. And then notice by Friday, that chance for rain picks up that day, possibly a few snowflakes mixed in all the way through early Sunday morning. But it will be cold for sure, with highs in the 30s and 40s and lows close to 30. The northern half of the state tonight, still chilly with lows in the 20s, highs tomorrow in the 40s and 50s, a few areas in the 60s, primarily in the northeast highlands. Farmington, slight chance of a shower. I showed you that disturbance out west. That's where your best bet for some showers will occur, at least for tomorrow. But still only slight, with highs in the 50s. But by Friday, your chance of rain picks up, chance for snow, possibly, especially in the higher terrain, Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s and down into the teens early next week. For Santa Fe, we expect lows in the 20s, a few isolated rain and snow showers in the higher terrain. That's about it for tomorrow. Still remaining mild with highs generally in the 50s in the Espanola Valley along with Los Alamos. Now for Santa Fe, your temperature should remain in the 50s through Wednesday, turning cold beginning Thursday, and your chance for rain and snow picks up by Friday and the weekend. Very good shot early Friday, and turning much colder still with highs in the 30s through Sunday, then slowly warming up on Monday. For the East Mountains tonight, lows in the 20s and 30s with westerly winds at 10 to 15, highs in the 50s for your Tuesday. For the metro, chilly night still. You need the jacket if you'll be out and about. Lows in the 20s, highs tomorrow in the upper 50s, so wear layers. Partly cloudy skies expected. Now Wednesday, turning warmer with highs near 60, turning cooler Thursday. And there you see that chance for rain and possibly snow picks up by Friday and Saturday. Begin to dry out Super Bowl Sunday, but it will be cold for sure with highs in the upper 30s. Remember, you can always stay up to date with the weather forecast anytime by logging on to KOB.com. You can also download our KOB4 weather app, and you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter.